Today, I'm making garlic sauce, or toum. Take about 5 or 6 cloves of garlic, a lemon, one egg, Alright, peel the garlic. Now, normally when you're making garlic sauce, you're gonna cut the garlic in half and take out the little green shoot inside the garlic to make it less bitter. But I want mine to have some kick. I want that shit to burn a hole in my stomach. Alright, you're gonna use about half of this lemon today. Take out the seeds. Okay, take a mason jar and pull out a fancy microplane. And I'm just gonna turn this garlic into a paste. Now, you could also do this in a food processor. I don't have a food processor, so this is how I'm doing it. You're just gonna get the garlic into a fine paste and use an immersion blender for emulsifying. Okay, separate the egg white from the yolk, and you can do this by rocking the egg back and forth from half of the shell to the other half. Try to avoid a pointy edge on the eggshell so you don't pop the yolk, or the yolk will be really upset. And then take 1 cup of neutral tasting oil like avocado oil. You already know how I feel about canola oil. Let it sit for a second, just so that way all the garlic's at the bottom and the egg white. Give it a little baby stir to get the air bubbles out. And we're gonna blend on high until you see a white fluffy paste start forming. And you're just gonna slowly pull it up just a little bit. Let some of the oil sink into the bottom. You wanna do this part really slow, because if you pull it up too fast, it'll break the emulsion. Now you might be asking yourself, what does that mean to emulsify? Well, emulsification is when 2 liquids come together, go on a couple dates, realize they like each other, then they have a kid, and then one starts taking care of the kid a little more than the other, and then they start to resent each other, and then they want to split up, but they can't because of the kids, so they decide to just keep it together for the kids. Take the juice of half of that lemon. Salt to taste. Mix it all up. And just remember, like I said, it might be a little harsh if you don't cut out those little green shoots inside of the garlic. So don't come crying to me when you shit your pants. And this is the kind of consistency you're going for. Very fluffy, very smooth. Top it off with a little pluck of cilantro. And this sauce, let me tell you, Mediterranean food, pita, your grandpa's butt cheeks. It even goes good with bread. I put this shit on sandwiches.
Oh, look at that shit.
And that's it.